Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you my ransomware simulator built for educational use only. ABES, please do not use it for any harmful activity. This project is just a safe way to understand how ransomware works. So, what does it do? This Python program simulates how real ransomware encrypts files and demands a ransom. I used Tkinter for the interface and cryptography for encryption. The code only works in a folder named test folder to keep everything safe. Inside my project there is a main script and the test folder. This folder contains files I made like text files, images, PDFs, or PowerPoint slides. These files are used just for testing, so no real data is at risk. Let's run it. First, a blue window appears with white text and a welcome message. There are two big buttons, encrypt file and decrypt file. I click encrypt file, and the program encrypts a chosen file inside test folder. A red warning window pops up saying this is a ransomware simulation. Your file is encrypted. If I check the file now, it's unreadable. Next, I click decrypt file. The program uses the saved key to decrypt the file back to normal. A green window appears with a success message. Your files have been successfully restored. Everything is clear and simple. Also, there's a progress bar. Is it more interactive? Again, please remember, this simulator only affects files in test folder. It won't touch anything else on your computer. So it's safe to try and learn how encryption works. But do not share it or run it on other people's devices. This is for learning and raising awareness only. Always be ethical when practicing cybersecurity. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this small project and learned something new today. If you liked it, check the GitHub link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun coding projects, and let me know what you think in the comments. See you soon. Bye.